AI is everywhere, in your phone, your home, and even your job. It's making life easier, but at what cost? What if I told you AI is being used to manipulate, control, and even replace us? Today, we reveal the dark side of AI that no one is talking about. Did you know that AI is watching you right now? Governments and corporations are using facial recognition and predictive algorithms to track your every move. China's social credit system already monitors citizens, control access to loan, jobs, and even travel. Could this system spread worldwide? In 2019, China's AI-powered surveillance tracked a BBC reporter within 7 minutes in a live test. Imagine the implications. The US, NSA, and companies like Google and Facebook store and analyze billions of user data points daily, often without consent. AI isn't just in your phone, it's in weapons of war. Countries are racing to develop autonomous killer robots that do not need human approval to fire. Experts warn that AI-powered warfare could lead to uncontrollable conflicts and mass destruction. An AI-powered drone allegedly made an unsupervised attack in Libya, the first known case of AI-initiated combat. The US, China, and Russia are investing millions into AI-driven military technology with minimal regulation. Imagine turning on the news and not knowing what's real. With deepfake technology, AI can create completely fake video of anyone saying anything. Political leaders, celebrities, or even your friends, all digitally manipulated. Could AI be the ultimate tool for deception? In 2023, an AI-powered deepfake video of a Ukrainian president surrendering spread across social media, but it was completely fake. Experts predict that by 2030, 90% of online content could be AI generated. How will we know what's real anymore? AI is stealing jobs faster than anyone expected. Experts predict that millions of jobs will disappear in the next decade. From customer services to content creation, even doctors and lawyers are not safe. Will AI make humans obsolete? AI is already writing articles, designing graphics, composing songs, and even coding software. What happens when AI can do your job better and cheaper? Can AI be trusted? The scary truth is AI is biased. Trained on human data, AI models have been caught making racist, sexist, and unethical decisions. What happens when AI decides your fate in hiring, banking, or the courtroom? In 2018, Amazon had to scrap an AI hiring tool because it was biased against women. Some AI facial recognition systems are less accurate for people with darker skin, leading to wrongful arrests. AI is powerful, but we still have control. Here's how you can stay ahead of the AI revolution. Beware. Don't blindly trust AI-generated content. Question everything. Protect your data. Use privacy tools to stop companies from tracking you. Stay skilled. Learn AI and tech skill to future-proof your career. Support ethical AI. Push for laws that keep AI fair and accountable. AI is not just changing the world, it is changing you. The question is, are we ready for what's coming next? Let's talk about it in the comments. Do you think AI is dangerous, or is it just overhyped? Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive into the tech world.